So this is lesson number 39 in Algebra 1, and we are going to skip the trichotomy axiom, and we're also going to skip the negated inequalities and jump right into the advanced ratio problems. Now what we've done in the past is when you had a ratio of 3 red marbles to, say, 7 blue marbles, and you were saying, okay, well, how many blue marbles would I have if I had 12 red marbles? And then you would have an x there for the unknown, and then you just did cross multiplication. And the key thing that you had to remember was if you had r on top, you had to have r over here, and then b down here, b down here, and you just did your cross multiplication and solved, and that would solve for x, and you would find out how many blue marbles you would have given 12 red marbles because of this ratio here. So we did those. Alright, in this particular lesson we're going to go one step further, and one of the things that you realize when you're given something like 5 red marbles and 7 blue marbles is that you have a total here. You have a total of 12 marbles. So when they give you 5 red and 7 blue, there's a total of 12. And if they say, let's say we have 156 marbles, that ends up being a total. And it says how many marbles are red. So what are we looking for? We're looking for the number of red marbles. Now when you do ratios, you're only interested in 4 numbers. I've got 5 here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, my unknown, 5. Well, I can't use those. I don't care how many blue marbles I have. All I care about is that ratio right there, because it's comparing 5, or they give us 156 total. They give us 3 numbers, 5, 7, and it gives us 12 total. So if you just do that, 5 red, 7 blue, 12 total. X red, we have no idea how many blue, and 156 total. Right there is your ratio. Right there you can put an equal sign, a line, and you've got 5 over 12 equals x over 156. You do your cross multiplication and you can solve. And that's pretty much all there is to that. So let's look at just one more here, and you should be ready to go. Get rid of this pink line. The ratio of fish to crabs in the sea was 13 to 4. So I have 13 fish to 4 crabs. Well, how many do I have all together? I have 17 aminals. Alright, what else are they giving me? If there were 119 fish and crab, so 119 animals. So that's my total. How many were fish? So that's all we care about, is how many were fish. We don't care about the crabs. The crabs can go away. So we have our ratio, 13 to 17 equals x to 119. You do your cross multiplication and you find out that you have, as far as fish are concerned, you have 91. So when there's 119 total, 91 of those are going to be fish. And that's it for lesson 39. I'm not going to do a problem video on that because the ones they give you in the book, practice A and B, as well as some of these other numbers, number 2, are all the exact same. What I do want you to do is skip number 8 and skip practice problems C and D, and whenever you see any similar to those, go ahead and skip those in future lessons as well. Alright, so that's it for lesson number 39.